Hello, beautiful girl watching me this morning. Welcome back to Engineer Toy Inspire. I remain your person, Engineer Sariki Johnson Olewatoyin, and I'm truly happy to be here with you today. What do you think will solve tomorrow's biggest problem? Will it be someone else, or will it be you, my dear, watching me? Just think about it. The world is facing challenges every single day, like flooding, climate change, lack of clean water, medical equipment that still need improvement, and every one of those problems need engineer. The world doesn't just need an engineer, it needs a girl who is willing to lead. Today's topic is going to be focusing on why girls must lead in engineering. And if you're watching me for the first time, please do like, share, comment, hit that notification bell. But please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's dive into today's topic. The topic, I still repeat, why girls must lead in engineering. I believe this message will completely change the way you see yourself. The world needs female leaders. For many years, engineering was seen as a profession of men. Because of that, many girls began to believe things were never true. Some said engineering is only for boys. Others believe girl doesn't belong on construction site. Some were told choose an easier career. Sadly, many talented girls gave up their dream before they even started. But today, the story is changing. Girls are no longer asking for a seat at the table. They are earning it through excellence. Across the world, female engineers are leading groundbreaking projects, developing cleaning and more suitable energy solutions, building modern infrastructure that transform community, and inspiring the next generation of young girls to dream bigger than ever before. The world is finally beginning to recognize something that has always been true. Talent has no gender, as I said. Leadership has no gender. And engineering has never belonged to one group of people. It belongs to everyone willing to learn, to work hard, and to make a difference. So the question is no longer, can girls become an engineer? The real question is, how many girls are ready to become leader? The leader the world is waiting for. Why the world need girls to lead? Girls see problems differently. Girls often notice things that others overlook. A female engineer does not only think about how something works, she often thinks about how children can use it, how elderly people can use it, how women can comfortably use it. Can people with disability also be able to take advantage of it? That different perspective creates better solution. Engineering is strongest when different voices work together. Let me tell you something, young girls. Every day, you girls solve problems without realizing it. You organize your schoolwork, you help your siblings, you manage responsibility, you adapt quickly. Those are engineering skills, my dear. Engineering is using knowledge, creativity, and determination to solve real life problems. You don't become an engineer the day you become a graduate. You become an engineer the day you decided to solve problems rather than complaining about it. Leadership doesn't wait for permission. Many girls are waiting until they become older, waiting until someone believes in them, waiting until they become perfect. But leaders don't wait. They prepare, they learn, they practice. Leadership starts before the title becomes, my dear. The habit you build today determine the opportunity you will have tomorrow, my dear. Let me tell you the impact female engineers have made in the world. Female engineers are not just imagining a better world, they are building it. Take Emily Warren Robinley, for example. When the construction of Berkeley Bridge faced major challenges, she stepped in. She led. She led much engineering work. Her determination helped complete one of the most famous bridges, a bridge that many of people still use today. Think about it, my dear. A structure that has served generations. Or consider Dr. Gladys West. She was a mathematician, an engineer who helped develop the precise satellite model that made the GPS navigation possible. Every time you use Google Maps or hover a ride or find a way with your phone, you are benefited from the work of a woman engineer. Then there's Mary Jackson, NASA's first black female engineer. She helped improve the design of aircraft and contribute to America's early space program. Her courage opened doors of countless women who follow after her. Now, let me come home to Africa. Here in Nigeria, we have Jo Ayo. She's an aerospace engineer who has dedicated her career to inspire young Africa to pursue engineering and STEM through innovation, education, and mentorship. She is helping raise the next generation of engineers who will solve Africa's biggest challenges. And in Kenya, we have Wajira Mata. Through her work in environmental engineering and sustainable development, she has championed climate action, renewable solutions, and greener community across Africa, proving that engineering leadership can transform both people and the climate. So when someone asks you, why should girls lead in engineering? The answer is simple. Because when girls lead, community grow, technology improve, family benefit, nations develop. Never underestimate the power of one girl who chose to use her knowledge to solve problems. Because the next engineer whose work changed the world could be you, my dear girls watching me. Sometimes the bigger obstacle isn't mathematics, isn't physics, isn't technology. It is fear. Fear of making mistakes, fear of being different. But failure isn't proof that you should quit, my dear. It proves that you are learning. Confidence doesn't come before action, my dear. Confidence grows because of our action. How to start leading today, my dear girls watching me? You don't have to wait until university. Start now, my dear girls. Ask questions, as I've said. Read books. Watch educational videos. Use simple projects. Learn basic computer skills, my dear. Join science club. Believe in yourself. Practice solving everyday problems. Small steps taken consistently become remarkable achievements. Leadership is built one decision at a time. A message to parents and teachers. To every parent watching me, my dear, encourage your daughter. Believe in their ability. Expose them to science and technology. Celebrate their curiosity. To every teacher watching me today, speak live into your female students. Challenge them. Support them. Remind them that engineering belongs to everyone willing to learn. Beautiful girls, The future isn't waiting for someone else. It's waiting for you, my dear girls. The world doesn't need fewer girls in engineering. It needs more girls who are ready to think, to create, to innovate, and to lead. Never allow anyone to convince you that your dream are too big, my dear. Because today, young girls can become tomorrow engineer, tomorrow innovator, tomorrow inventor, and tomorrow leader. And always remember this, engineering isn't about gender. It's about courage, creativity, compassion, and solving problems that make the world a better place. And I believe that tomorrow leaders can be you, my dear, watching me today. If this message inspire you, my dear, please don't like this my video. Subscribe to Engineer Toyin Inspire and share it to other girls who need this encouragement today. Until next time, keep believing, keep learning, keep building, and keep inspiring the world. God bless you. See you another time. Bye for now.